Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and of course we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before I go fully into it, I would like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with this analysis. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. So guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame, and of course this started an uptrend right from here. You can see the yellow flag, the blue arrows, and of course it kept on going up till it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to go further, so it started a downtrend from there. But I mean, so till it got to this support zone, it had a pullback and playing around here for a while. If it's unable to go above this region, then definitely it will come down again and try out this support zone. Once it breaks out below it, then definitely it will buy for a very, I mean, it will sell for a very long time. However, if it breaks out above the resistance zone, it will keep on buying until it gets to this region. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so guys, this is still ranging around there, so you need to wait for the ranging period. Okay, so before you decide where to go for, I mean what to go for. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500, and of course this had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone. You can see it selling and selling, and it is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more selling, but if it's unable to break out from that support zone, then it will go back on buy trend. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. It had been on downtrend for long, got to this region, had a pullback, but went back down to get to the support zone, and right now it is on buy trend, and of course it will be targeting this region at the moment. If it breaks out above it, then we should see it getting to at least this region. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out. This is crash 500. It had been on a very strong uptrend, got to this resistance zone, had to play around there for a while before breaking out above it to get to a new resistance zone, and of course it sold for a while and went back up to try it out again, still unable to break out from here. So this time around it's trying to go back on downtrend, but we need it to break out below this support zone, so we expect it to sell more. Okay, so the next asset, which is going to be the last one, is V75. So this is volatility 75. Volatility 75 had been on uptrend for a while, so it came on downtrend but was unable to go below this, so it had a pullback, and of course it will be trying out the support zone again. If it breaks out below it, then it will keep on selling. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling for a very long time, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy QDC, and of course if you love the content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.